Today I'm going to do some sanding. I'm going to sand the parts of the wall and ceiling that I put mud on, and there are other parts of the wall that I had spackled and experimented with plaster of Paris. And so I'm going to sand today, and my dad told me I should get a coarser sandpaper, especially for the mud. Okay, so let's see how this goes. It can be so much fun, right? That's working just fine. It's pretty good. Okay, so now I've sanded it, and based on what I see, I didn't do a good job on the cracks, so I'm gonna have to put more mud in there. But at least I know what I'm doing now. It's fun learning how to do this stuff. And yes, I've had some frustrations, but I really feel like I'm learning a lot. And when I move on to other rooms to paint, I'll be ready. Okay, I put some coarser sandpaper on, but I didn't secure it very well on this side, so I'm gonna quit and never do this again. It's smooth, but I can see the outline. I mean, I can see the pattern of the mesh tape, and I don't know if that's supposed to happen, because when I paint over it, it should be okay. I don't know, but I'll check that out later. In the meantime, I'm going to keep on sanding. I have a lot to learn about all this stuff. what do I have to say? I don't know, I'm hot. It's all dusty in here. And I'm not done sanding, but I'm not going to do any more today. Okay. Probably only been doing this for an hour. So I think that's all the sanding that I need to do for now, I think. So I found another crack over there on the wall, but I'm going to take care of the crack over there on the wall up above the curtains. I'm going to take those curtains down and fill in the cracks there, spackle there, but why do I keep saying but? I don't know. What I'm trying to say is I'm okay now to just go ahead and start painting the ceiling, okay? Which is what this whole project was about to begin with. So tomorrow or the next day I'm going to start, tomorrow I'm just going to start painting the ceiling, okay? It's about time. Oh.